Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your XM account is verified and funded. This unlocks live orders. Once done, log into the XM platform or MT4/MT5 using credentials and switch to the account type you funded. Make sure to select the correct server and enable two-factor if you want extra security. You'll also set your base currency and leverage here. These choices affect margin and risk, so pick leverage that matches your risk plan and the instrument you intend to trade. You now prepare charts and plan the trade. Attach indicators and confirm timeframe for your strategy. Once your entry conditions appear, calculate position size to keep risk per trade within your rule, then mark stop loss and take profit levels on the chart. Next, place a market order for immediate execution or a pending order for a specific price. Select lot size, order type, and slippage tolerance. Make sure to double-check the margin requirement and confirm the order to send it. You complete the process by actively managing the open trade. Use a trailing stop or partial exits to protect gains, and adjust stops only when the trade justifies it. Once price hits your predefined exit or you decide to close, execute the close order or let OCO take care of it. If something goes wrong, orders rejected, disconnects, or large slippage, first confirm server status and internet, then relog in or contact XM support with order ID and screenshots to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.